Is your Morgan Stanley app acting up, leaving you locked out of your finances? Don't worry, getting your Morgan Stanley app back online is usually a quick fix. Let's walk through the common issues and their solutions, step by step. First, let's tackle connectivity. Ensure your phone has a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that makes a difference. A weak or interrupted signal is often the culprit. Next, we'll check for updates. Head to your device's app store, search for the Morgan Stanley app, and see if there's a newer version available. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. If the app is just frozen or unresponsive, a simple force quit might be all it needs. On most iPhones, swipe up from the bottom and swipe the app card away. On Android, go to your recent apps, find Morgan Stanley, and swipe it off the screen. Sometimes, cache data can cause problems. Go into your phone settings, find the Morgan Stanley app, and look for storage options. You can try clearing the app's cache. Be mindful of clearing data, as this might require you to log in again. Experiencing login failures? Double-check you're entering the correct username and password. If you're unsure, use the forgot password or forgot username link on the login screen to reset your credentials. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it's time to contact Morgan Stanley support. Visit their official website or look for a contact number within the app itself. They have dedicated teams ready to help with more complex problems. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be back to managing your accounts seamlessly. Remember, a little patience and these simple fixes can get your Morgan Stanley app working perfectly again.